my YouTube channel, guys. It's your boy here, guys, Derek the Dreamer, guys. Thank you, guys, for coming in every time I do post a video, guys, by subscribing, watching, guys, commenting, sharing, guys. I don't take it for granted. Okay, today it's another one, guys. Mm-hmm. I've seen on comments people are saying, Derek, show us your room, show us your small room, show us your humble beginnings. And guys, I have decided to do so. So guys, with me, I don't know where I'm going to start, but we are going to make it. Like, get ready with me and see my studio, guys. Okay, we will start immediately from the door. From the door, that's the guys. A rope. You see a rope from that side to that side, which is serving as a curtain, and this is a big window. You see, window. Actually, it's a night. Okay, this is my sink. Like we are really suffering, guys. This sink. This is where we wash our utensils. Water is very adequate. Always, there is no issue with water. Yeah, there is no issue with water. So, guys, like that's my door area. That's my entrance area, as you can see. You see, like from that corner to the other. So, guys, these are my water containers. This is where I store water. These 20 liters and these one 60 liters. So I have a total of 80 liters in case there is no water. Okay, guys, like I may get adequate and enough water to do house activities, guys. Now from here, from actually the entrance, we go to the kitchen area, guys. That's my kitchen area. As you can see, that's my Meko gas. Then this is a container. I'm just using it to put utensils, as you can see, guys. You see, and under there, this one, guys, that's my dustbin. That's my dustbin. There is another container for water. Actually, those are places I can store things. Under there, you can see a container under there. Then from there, we go to this rack. Actually, this avocado, actually things to do with avocado, eggs. You see eggs, then onions over there, potatoes. Yeah. Now from there, I don't want to go far. Like there is another shopping, but let me show you now. From here, we go to this one, detergent. Actually, for washing toilet, then there is jug to warm water. Yeah, if I want to boil water, actually like cooking water, I can use this one. Yeah, it is operational, it works. So from there we go to another rack. This is another shopping rack. My oil, shopping, tea leaves over there, flour, you can see flour, rice, a lot of shopping over here, sugar, so many things. Sugar, let me show you. Margarine, bluebird, yeah, so many things. Flour, so many things. Now from there we go to this small table over there. Look at that. Amazing, guys. It's look amazing. I normally use this one as study table for myself. Okay, so this is where I come. I normally edit my video sitting here when I'm watching something, Netflix, movie just sit here. Now this is my drinking water. You see, that's my drinking water, sugar container, salt container. You see, look at these very beautiful cups. Okay, I'm actually at table room. I'm actually at table room, guys. That's my screen over there. Look at it, with a small dolly over there, very beautiful. Like, okay, I forgot to show you that pan. Which one? The one I normally use to cook eggs with. Then there is a robot, a mic speaker. This speaker has a rod. Like, I tell you, guys, I started with this. Guys, I started with this. You see, when I had no TV, I used to use this one. Yeah, to keep myself. Yeah. So we at table room area. That's my TV, mesa, table with a small mat. You see this mat? Actually, that one, a small mat. Then we have water dispenser over there. Like, I don't take this water because it's warm. You see, I don't take it. So I normally buy two waters, for dispenser and the one which I will not put in dispenser for me to drink. Okay, that's my seat over there. Actually, I was seated watching, like, that's the best position. The best position you can sit watching TV over there. Okay, that's my three-seater. And this small, what can I say? Like, I normally use it to cover myself while sitting here watching. Then that's my mirror. You must appreciate yourself. Look at yourself every morning and say thank you to God. You see, that's my mirror over there. There is another cylinder here which I put pens and balance coins. Okay, like, let me make a view. Guys, that's actually my table room. Look how it looks. My table room, guys. Tell me, what do you think about it? Like, have I arranged it well? Over there, kitchen. You see? Kitchen. That is it. Now, let's go to bedroom side. Okay? Okay, guys. On this other side, we start with this one. This one. Like, I normally put clean clothes there because I have a lot of clothes and I don't have a wardrobe. You see, so I put some here and some on my briefcase. You'll see them. Okay, from here we go to my bed. That's my bed. Actually, I like big bed. It's 4x6 bed. Okay, that's my bed, guys. Then from my bed we go to shoe rack. Look at that. That's my shoe rack, guys. That's my shoe. Those are my shoes. Tell me, what do you think about them? Actually, I've washed some the outside. So that's my shoe rack. From shoe rack we go to my bags. You see, that's another bag full of clothes and another briefcase over there full of clothes. And some will ask, what is the purpose of this box? That's TV box, and like any item I've bought being inside a box, I've preserved those boxes. Okay, so those are boxes for all my items. In case I relocate, it will be easy for me. Okay, so guys, let me do a review of my bedroom. After my bedroom, There is a portrait over there, guys. Look at it. Enjoy the little things in life. Okay, so anything you have, enjoy it. The little thing, okay, enjoy it. Like it gives me, it's keep me moving. It's like motivation in my life. So guys, as you watch, also you enjoy the little things you have. Okay, from there, guys. Okay, I have another, like, this is a small bag in case I'm traveling on a weekend for 2 days or one day. That's why I pack my few clothes, underwears, one shirt, one trouser, and I get it. Well, now from here, I take you to my toilet and bedroom because they are combined. Okay, get ready. Guys, this is my bedroom, my washroom. Look at it. Oh, that is it. Guys, don't judge me. I normally hang my underwear over there for fresh air. So guys, that's my humble house. Let me do it now at the feel of my full house. Don't worry, that's one. Guys, tell me what you think about my humble watching, guys, and tell me, guys, what do you think about my house? Tell me, where do I need to improve? Like, congratulate me if I have done, like, if it is an achievement, just congratulate me. Like, I think at my age I've done a lot. Like, it's achievement. Most of people who are older than me, they are not living in a better place like I am. So I really appreciate God, and guys, continue supporting me. Continue, guys. Like, I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. Consider putting on the notification bell so that, guys, whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Bye until another time. Mwah.